So how's it going, guys? In this video we're going to learn how to convert your frame by frame animations into Effekseer animations that RPG Maker MZ supports. RPG Maker MV used to have this frame by frame animations that just is not supported anymore any longer. Like this was the RPG MV, and in RPG MZ it's just a particle effect, so you're gonna have to convert that into particle effect for animation to show. So first of all, we're going to save this image into image and into effects, and then texture, and then we're gonna just call this water bubbles. Alright, and now we're gonna have to open Effekseer 1.5 version. Note that you're gonna have to download the 1.5 version that is officially supported by RPG Maker MZ. You can't download the latest version, you're gonna have to download this version only, 1.5. And I have downloaded already. I'm just gonna run it this. So now I just a new project, and I'm gonna click on this node, and then in the basic render settings I'm going to load the texture, and the texture is in the folder that we just saved in the texture folder of effects folder of your game. So water bubbles and UV is not a standard image, it's an animation. So what's the size now? 192 by 192. Now I know this because by default most of the RPG MV animation are of this size. So if you have a different size, you can just mention that 192 by 192, and then X count is gonna be like 3, because we only need those 3 frames of water bubbles. And then loop is gonna loop this for a bit. Okay, and then frame length is basically like the speed, and I'm gonna set this to 4, I guess. So let's see. Alright, you can see this. This is our animation. Perfect. We're just going to have to save as in the effects folder. Note that in the texture you have the image, and in the effects folder you effectively have your particle effect. So I'm going to call this water bubbles. Saved. Perfect. And now if I create a new animation, change maximum to 121, and then this is water bubbles. And awesome. And then I'm gonna have to maybe increase the size a bit to 10 times and apply. Alright, so now we're just going to show this animation, like show animation, this water bubbles. Okay, wait for this completion, and then we also need to have sound, right? So play sound, water bubbles, apply, and just run this game. Oh, okay, I should not have done this 10 times, you know. I'm just gonna go back and make this 100% again. Instead of like, it should be like 500. Play. Let's just see. Awesome. Exactly what I wanted. And awesome. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and like I say, the problem is just that you gotta have to download the 1.5 version, and then you're gonna just have to do all this texture and have the same path issues, you know. The texture should be in the texture folder, and that's it. Thanks for watching.